Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered when you see any ads in your social media feeds, it is related to your interest? How it is possible for the social platforms? It is only possible through the algorithms set by the different social platforms, whether it is Facebook, whether it is YouTube, whether it is Instagram. So whatever social platforms you use, here is the algorithms work. I am talking about digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? How digital marketing evolved? What is the importance of digital marketing for small businesses and other businesses as well? What are the important tools you should use in digital marketing? And what is the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing? All of these things I will cover in this video. So please watch the video till the end. First of all, we'll know the history of digital marketing. In 1990, when ARCI search engine was created, then the digital marketing was coined for the first time. Then in 1994, the first clickable ad banner was introduced by the AT&T company, which got 44% click-through rate. That was Amaz, right? When Google AdWords was introduced, then PPC advertising are rising day by day. Then other platforms like Facebook was also emerged at that time. By 2010, when other social platforms are introduced and all devices are expanded, contributed to the explosive marketing growth. And next is, are you confused about the difference between digital marketing and online marketing? Digital marketing uses all channels, whether it is through online or through offline. In case of online, you can advertise through website, through social media and other online platforms, and as well as through offline, for example through SMS, through TV. All of these channels you can use to market your product or services. But in case of online marketing, it is completely depend on online platforms, for example through social media platforms, through websites, other online platforms. It is completely dependent on internet. You can advertise your product or services fully online. Second thing is the traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Traditional marketing has already gone. Businesses are now adopting digital marketing. Okay, through digital marketing, you can reach more potential customers with low budget, smart campaigns, right marketing strategy. You can easily reach your customers. But in case of traditional marketing, you can reach out to the limited audiences. So that is why digital marketing is the most important than traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is the one-way message to reach out to your customers, whether through TV, through radio, through print ads. Okay, but in case of digital marketing, you can reach out to the customer through different channels, through social media platforms, through website, through blogs, through videos, different ways you can reach out to your customers, to your targeted audiences. So that is a digital marketing is the right marketing strategy for any businesses. Then third thing is, do you know which is better, direct sales effort or through brand awareness? According to the B2B marketer survey report, it was found that brand awareness is most important than direct sales effort. Because through brand awareness, your customers easily familiarity with your brand. When your customers decides to buy any product or services, he already know about your brand. So it is easy for that to choose that particular product or services because he already know about that brand. So that is a brand awareness is the most important than direct sales. In case of direct selling effort, the customer confused about to buy the product or services because he did not know about that brand or product. So how can the customer trust that particular product or services? Because the customer did not know about the brands. So that is your brand awareness most important factor to any business. It builds trust, it creates interest. So that is why it is most important than direct sales efforts. Our click-through rate matters. By 2016, it was found that display ad got only 0.10%, which was one click for 1,000 impressions in US. So that is very sad, right? So that is a click-through rate does not matter. Matter is brand awareness, and also you should balance your search ad, your display ad. So what is the solution for that? What is the right marketing strategy? So first of all is opportunity. You should review the market very well, analyze your competitor, then set smart objectives. Smart means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. So when you set your smart objectives, according to your smart objectives, then set your strategy. Then finally action. Then what are the most important tools every marketer should use? And without these tools, you could not grow your business. and you could not reach out to the right audience at the right time. So that is why it is most important to use these tools. First one is SEO, which is search engine optimization. You can optimize your website through the search engine. It is a good organic marketing strategy for the visibility of your website on the search engine. The next is search engine marketing, that is SEM. That is to optimize your ads through the search engine, whether it is text format, images format, or video format. It completely depends upon your marketing strategy. Then social media marketing. You should market your product or services through social platforms. You can market your product or services through organically or through paid. So it completely depends upon your budget level. So if you market your product or services through organically, you can post content related to your brands, benefits, their features, all of these things you can mention in your post through different social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Whatever social platforms you use, you can advertising your products or services through organically. There is no need to spend your budget. But in case of paid advertising, you should spend your budget. It is a good marketing strategy because when you spend your budget through any platforms, for example through Google Ads or through Meta Ads, it will reach out to the right audience, to the targeted audience at the right time. That is why PPC advertising is a good marketing strategy for your business. Then next is the content marketing. Through persuasive content writing, you can attract your audience towards business, whether through blogs, through website, through videos, whatever ways you adapt, that doesn't matter. Matter is your content quality and your SEO strategy, that matters most. So that is why content marketing is the best marketing strategy for a business to attract their audiences, and it is also one of the good inbound marketing strategy. Then email marketing. Email marketing is a direct marketing strategy. You can directly reach out to the potential customers by personalized email campaigns. That is, the email marketing is a good marketing strategy for a business. Then influencer marketing. You can collaborate with influencers. For example, through micro influencers, you can reach out to the right audiences, because micro influencers are booming right now. So that is why it is the best option for you to promote your products or services, because customers already known about that person, that influencers already build trust with customers. That is why it is a good marketing strategy for your business. Okay, these are all the topics in digital marketing. Without these topics, digital marketing is nothing. So that is why it is most important to use the tools very effectively, the right campaign strategy. So when AI comes to the market, the digital marketing has completely changed. Okay, now marketers use AI tools very effectively to automate their task by automating their campaigns very effectively. You should not fully dependent on AI tools. You should effectively use the AI tools by using your own creativity. With the help of AI, you can craft your campaign with smartly, with fastly, and also very effectively. You can reach out to the right target audiences. So how I use AI tools very effectively, even if it is free. So how I can manage all these tasks with the help of AI. I use 5 AI tools. First is ChatGPT, second is Perplexity, third is Claude, then fourth is Gemini, then 5 is Grok AI. I use these AI tools very effectively with the free. I have strategy for that to automate my task with the help of these 5 AI tools. By combining all these AI tools with my creativity, I can automate my tasks with the efficiency. For example, I opened my own social media accounts, for example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I can post all these contents to different platforms according to their algorithms by the help of AI tools with my own creativity. I do not exactly copy the AI content and then post it to my social platform. No, no, no. I only use the AI tools for the assistant. Okay, whatever problems I face, for example, grammatical error or any other sentences are need, whatever problems I face, with the help of AI, I solve that problem. So by combining multiple creativity from AI side, from my side, I can craft a good content to optimize in various social media platforms. That's my all marketing strategy. You can also use AI tools very effectively to automate your tasks, to automate your campaigns. All of these processes you can automate through AI. That's all about digital marketing, the path of digital marketing and its types and AI evolution. Thank you so much. If you found this video was helpful, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.